Hello, this is Duncan Welder, and I wanted to welcome you to another quick VTA training brief covering how to automate teams using the output to team function inside reports and report scheduling. Now, lots of groups like to automate teams based on different information, and a number of those folks do that using their RISC import. But one simple way is just to use reports. If you can get that team list, the list of participants, from a native VTA report. So here in this case, I'm going to update my all students team using my report favorites. So if I go into reports, I can go to student reports, and there's that handy list students report. In this case, I'm just going to grab all students and don't really need to worry about what on the what tab here. I could include inactive students if I wanted to. I could change my only students at selected site, but I'm going to leave those defaults. On the where tab, instead of outputting to a PDF or a Word document, I'm going to say output to team. Now that's going to let me do a couple things. Say, what do I want to do to that team? Do I want to replace all the people that are on it? In this case, I don't. I could just append people to the end of that team, but in this case, if someone leaves, I want them removed, so I actually want to update that team. So what that's going to do is add anyone that's new with the team assignment date, and if I have people that are already on that team, just leave those guys alone. So in this case, I'm going to grab my all employees team, all student team there at the top. I'm going to use my period to date here, so I don't have to worry about the assignment date. It's going to automatically update, and I'm going to hit save that as a favorite. If I wanted to, I could run that guy out as a list to verify that everybody's there, but here I'm just going to call this my all student team report. So I'm going to hit OK. Yes. Save that guy. Now when I go down to my reports, what I can do is find that all student team report, and I'm going to edit that guy. And if I go to the scheduler, I might set this one up just to run weekly, and I'll say, so every week, I'm going to make this active. I want a confirmation email to go to myself. Output format, I don't really need to worry about. I'm going to run it weekly, and I'll say every maybe Sunday, have that report run without any end date. Now what happens? Every time that Sunday evening rolls around, that report will run, and my all employees team or all students team will be updated so that I can keep those folks evergreen, keep them fresh on that team. I'd use the exact same function for a number of other options as well, right? I could use that same output to show or build a team, keep a team maintained with just people that had finished a particular course, maybe a job qualification course, or maybe someone who's just been certified in a particular skill. So again, just ways of creatively using that report output format, coupling it with the schedule to maintain some automated team assignments.